Marishwar ma'am, please let me know when we can start.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello, sir. Joshua, sir. Good evening.
Sir, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. This is Dr. Veeramani, MBA department, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you
Good
for
evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
thank you for coming, sir.
Pleasure is mine, sir. Pleasure is mine, sir. I was in college the day before yesterday, sir. Couple of days I had come there to
Oh,
your college, sir. Unfortunately, I missed to meet you.
yeah, no problem,
So,
sir. No
yes,
problem.
sir.
Meet again, sir. Thank you.
Yes,
I know about
yes,
you,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for
Yes, sir.
coming, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank
I'll
you. Thank you.
inform to my chairman tomorrow morning, sir, that you have
Yes,
attend,
sir. Yes, sir. Please, please, please.
addressed us like that. We are informed, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir. Please, please.
I'm Dr. Veeramani, MBA department, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
are conducting this
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
program. Well, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Warm greetings to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to join you all through this webinar for faculty development program. So it gives us great, it gives us a great sense of responsibility and happiness to collaborate with the JPR Institute of Technology to organize this program. So just a brief introduction about our institution. So our institution is a 40-year-old institution, Tamil Nadu Advanced Technical Training Institute. We are training partners for the Indian military, the Tamil Nadu Police Department. We train many government organizations, government departments across India. We also do a lot of value-added courses and certificate courses for various colleges, arts and science, engineering, and B schools as well. At the same time, we organize a lot of immersion programs, taking batch of students and faculties on an overseas program to have trainings, industrial visits, college visits. And so to this immersion program, we aim to create a social and cultural exchange. So faculty development program is a program which is very close to our heart, which is very close to our main vision with what we are doing at TATI. So we very strongly feel that faculties play a very important role in shaping tomorrow's future of India. That is the youngsters of India. So through empowering our faculties, we are empowering the next generation. So this faculty development program is a regular program which we continuously keep doing to help the faculty community to enhance their skill sets, which will in turn help the productivity in delivering lectures and educating the students. So, with that, I would like to thank all the participants and JPR Institute of Technology, MBA Department, HOD Veeramani sir, and other people who have helped in organizing this program. So, today we have Vaishnavi from Tati. She has over 4 years of experience in training, and today we will be dealing about patenting, about IPR, publications, so which will help many faculties who are pursuing their PhD especially. So with that, Vaishnavi, the session is yours. Please go on.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
And I also hope SD session would have gone well with all of you. I also request all of you to share your valuable feedback about SD session. And after this end of the session, please share today's feedback as well. So these feedbacks are very important, as it will help us improve on what we are doing, and it'll be a great source of acknowledgement for the work which you're doing. Thank you all participants. Feel free to interact with our lecturer and gain in-depth knowledge about today's topic. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So, good evening to one and all present here.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Hi, ma'am. So, it was a wonderful session yesterday. I got a good feedback from you all. I'm really happy. Today, before going into the next subject, I would like to just recap whatever I told yesterday. Okay. So, it starts from patent. We start about patent. What is patent? So, with the biggest quote from the only US president to hold a patent, Abraham Lincoln. The patent system added the fuel of interest to the fire of genius. And yes, student superstar Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, a former president of India and scientist, he told us that the innovation is the key to the future, but basic research is the key to innovation. So thus, the Dr. Kalam strongly believed that India must file more patents through indigenous research and technology. So what is patent? A patent is a legal document giving the holder exclusive intellectual property rights over a specific invention. Patents are an important element in encouraging innovation. So, move on to the Tamil meaning of patent. ஒருவர் கண்டுபிடித்த சாதனத்துக்கு அல்லது முறைக்கு அரசு வழங்கும் தனிச்சட்ட உரிமை, இதனால் மற்றவர்கள் அனுமதியின்றி அதை பயன்படுத்த முடியாது. இதுவே ஒரு அழகான ஒரு கவிதையில சொல்றாங்க. புதுமை விளக்கும் நவீன கண்டுபிடிப்புக்கு உரிமை அளிக்கும் சட்டத்தின் வண்ணம் இதோ பேட்டன்ட் எனும் அங்கீகாரம், உருவாக்குனரின் கனவு பாதுகாக்கும் நிழல். So this is what patent is about. So now what is about a patent's period? So valid for a limited period, it is over 20 years only. So it is an example is a new water purifying device invented by a scientist is patent so that others cannot copy it without permission. So this is patent, an exclusive legal rights to an inventor. So we also saw in the yesterday's class what are the types of patent. The types of patents are product patent, process patent, design patent. In product patent, it is about a physical product, a new medical tablet or machine. In a process patent, a new method to manufacture a drug, that is process patent. When it comes to the design patent, it is about a unique design of a mobile phone. So yesterday I told my Apple phone that it has a unique design. The mobile phone has a apple in it. So the apple will be like this, off cut, this apple. So this is what I told in the design pattern. So now move on to the next slide. We told about the criteria for it. So the criteria is the novelty. It must be very new and must not be obvious, must be useful. A slightly modified pen is not valuable, not patentable, but a new ink technology that never dries out is patentable. So a patent search and novelty check, which is very easy. Search existing patent before filing and avoids duplication and rejection. So for example, before filing a patent for a smart helmet, the inventor checks Google patents to see if there is any similar inventions already exist. So this is about a patentability criteria with example. So before going to the patent, who's the first patentee and all, I started with who is he. So he is Ilayaraja. We started with that. And Ilayaraja's copyright. Yesterday I told you about the Ilayaraja, how he put copyright for the songs in Coolie, Va Va Pakkam Va. This song he put a copyright. And also Ilayaraja notice mentioned Lokesh Kanagaraj used his songs 2 times in the past movies, Vikram and Fight Club, without permission, and Coolie is the 3rd time. So this is what about the copyright. So what is the difference between a copyright and a patent? So copyright, it is protects the original creative works, which is books, songs, paintings, films, software. When it comes to the patent, it protects new inventions or processes, machines, devices, and methods. Move on to the types of intellectual properties. We have these kind of intellectual properties started from copyright, patent, trademark, industrial design, and trade secret. Copyright, we know songs by Ilayaraja and Harry Potter books. When it comes to patent, it is all about COVID-19 vaccine formula. In trademark, we speak about the brand logos, brand names, and slogans. Apple logo, Nike swoosh, etc. The industrial design is about, yes, of course, iPhone shapes, car body design, and trade secret is about mixing KFC, spice mix, and Coca Cola formula. So, today, moving on to the next important thing. So, do you all know what is this?
TVS 50.
TVS 50. Okay. So, you people like, this is in the old days, right? This TVS 50. நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா அந்த வெஹிக்கல? People use it like, ma'am, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, good. So, moving on to the next thing. What is this?
A scooty?
Okay,
Yamaha.
it's a scooty. It's not, okay, it's not obviously scooty.
Java, ma'am. It's a Java bike.
No, it is Bajaj.
Okay.
It is Bajaj. Okay. So, first we start with this TVS 50, right? The second one is Bajaj. So, TVS 50 and Bajaj as a case. What is the case is about? So, the issues is Bajaj auto patent. It's DTSI, which is Digital Twin Spark Ignition. It's an engine technology, and TVS Motor introduced bikes with a similar engine technology. So, a legal action has been taken. Bajaj filed a case against TVS for patent infringement. The case reached the Supreme Court of India. The outcome is TVS was allowed to sell its bikes during the case. So, the dispute continued for several years. Okay, now what do you think? So the Bajaj has introduced the DTS, but the TVS has copied it. But the Supreme Court allowed TVS to sell TVS Motors. Why? So I already told about patent. A patent is like we can get that legal
Ma'am,
document.
maybe because of the public interest.
Maybe because of the public interest. Okay. Even though if there is a public interest, the Bajaj will do it. They copy the same.
And the convenience, ma'am. Like in terms of the cost. It's
Okay.
cost efficient. Petrol
Unable to
consumption.
claim. He is the inventor of that product.
Okay. 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 Any other answers apart from this?
Ma'am, maybe Bajaj didn't register for the patent.
Can you just repeat it, ma'am? I can't hear you.
Maybe the Bajaj didn't register for the patent.
No. They have registered for the patent. That's why Bajaj just asked TVS for the infringement, and they apply to the Supreme Court for the judgment.
Okay.
But the Supreme Court gives the judgment in favor of the TVS and not Bajaj. Okay, now I will tell you what happened. Why TVS won. So, the key patent rule, which is very, very important. If TVS copied the exact...
Ma'am, there will be some kind of a novelty which the TVS had probably.
Yeah, right, ma'am. Right.
Like
That is the right
we
answer.
spoke about the Saravana stores yesterday. So
Yes.
some kind of a difference, a mild modification probably.
Good, ma'am. Good, ma'am. I just want to know who is this, ma'am? Can you?
Dr. Devsena again here, ma'am.
Yes, super, ma'am, super. Yeah, you are right, ma'am. As you said, in yesterday's class also I told Savana, SARAVANA, there is a change. SHARA. Same thing it is applied to TVS. So the TVS claimed and TVS told that the engine, if TVS copied the exact patent technology, it is wrong. But the TVS can use a different method or an improved design without infringement. They didn't exactly copy it. In Tamil we told அடிச்சான் காப்பின்னு சொல்லுவோம். He didn't copy it exactly. He just asked that a spark of innovation. If the person has, if Devasena ma'am told something na, அதை வச்சு, which is, I put it as a base thing, foundation, and I have created something other else, something which is different. That is what TVS is used. TVS used a different method and an improved design without infringement. Thus, it explains that improvement and innovation are allowed in patent. If I copied it exactly, then I'm wrong. But I didn't copy it exactly. I've improved it. That's the process in TVS and Bajaj. Understood, ma'am? Understood, everyone? Yes. Good. So now, when I go to the next slide, the next content. So we all know.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have a doubt.
Yes, sir.
While discussing your says about that, if the same type of pen slightly modified, if they are manufactured, it's not comes under the patent, right?
Yes, sir.
Like
yes.
that, but how they can accept it in this case, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I will tell you. You have just understand the concept, but there is a difference in it. If you see, a slightly modified pen is not patentable, but a new ink technology that never dries out is patentable. So a slightly modified pen, they didn't slightly modify the content. They didn't slightly modify it. In TVS, they didn't modify the design. They introduced a technology. They introduced a design which is not there in Bajaj. That's why it is patentable. Did you get it, sir? So you see the next line. A new technology that
Yes,
never
ma'am.
dies out. Thank you, sir. You have asked a wonderful doubt, sir. Very good, sir. It's a nice doubt. So that's why people, students, teachers can also understood this. A new ink technology that never dries out is patentable. Likewise, they introduced a new design which is not there in Bajaj. Good, sir. Okay. So now we are moving to the next slide. In this, we speak about the Edison. You know Edison. Who is Edison? So he is the great scientist. So Edison's electric bulb is a classic patent example. When we want to say about a classic patent example, it is none other than the inventor Thomas Edison, who is the inventor of an electric light bulb. What it produces, a simple thing, it produces light by heating a filament with electricity. So why it is patented? Because no one had created a practical, long-lasting electric bulb before. It is useful. It provides safe, reliable lighting. So it exclusively writes Edison controlled who could make, sell, or use it commercially. So when it comes to the other hand, what is the other thing is work by Harry Potter books by J.K. Rowling. This is about the copyright protects because the text, characters, storyline, and illustrations are copyrightable. What it does? It is no one can else easily, legally copy, publish, or sell these books without permissions. So the key point is copyright protects original creative works, and it is being copied or used without the creator's content means they will be punishable. They will be asked to pay for the fines. So this is the difference. The classic patent example. If someone
I have
asks,
a doubt here, ma'am. Since
Yes.
yesterday it has been pondering, can I shoot the question here? You
Yes.
said the works of literature, when we are taking in the storyline or the character, we are going to reproduce it. We have to give the copyright.
yes.
So the research papers, the research articles, we come up with some ideas, right? We come up with a literature review, and from there we identify a literature gap, and then
Yes.
we come up with an idea. Then the idea is ours. Why do they ask us to give the bibliography citations?
Ma'am, it is about something in the research is called, we didn't search something new. The name itself we have research. So it is about
Alright.
research only. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. So
Thank you, ma'am.
we're moving on to the next slide. Next important thing. I need some participation, more participation. Who is he?
Rajnikant,
Very good. Some other. Is he Rajnikant? I am having a doubt.
Indiran,
Yes, Endiran Rajnikant. Some other participations? Does anyone know? Sir Kannan sir, Jayashree ma'am. Kannan sir, is he Rajnikant? I'm having a doubt. Can you just clarify?
Ma'am is Chitty the robot.
There's Chitty the robot. Yeah, Chitty the robot.
Robo.
Yes, Robo. We all have this like this. This movie is like a cult classic or something, which is beyond something. We even know there is a Robo, and the Robo
the
didn't eat.
robot who performs the action of a human being, the replication or the duplication of somebody who is already existing in the world. And the
Yes.
patent when Rajnikant invents the Chitty Robo.
Yes, Chitty Robo. Very good. So the movie is Indran, which is also known as Robo in Hindi. We call Rajnikant here as Indran. In Hindi, they will call Robo. Yes, Indran the robot. So what is this? What is he doing? He's having some kind of many like guns, and he has some fire. And here he is in the green screen, right? He's in the front of the green screen. What is this? What is he doing?
All the
Probably
iron metals are
innovation.
attracted.
Oh, yes, all the iron materials are attracted. Okay. What is this about?
Futuristic innovation, ma'am.
What?
Futuristic innovation.
Futuristic innovation. Okay, futuristic innovation. What kind of an innovation? We have the term. We know this term. Someone is unmuted. Please mute yourself. When you want to speak, you can unmute. And please tell, what is this about?
He has not received any information.
This is VFX. You know this is VFX, right? Endran movie, the second half is full of VFX. Am I right? Sir Kannan sir, is it
Yes,
VFX?
sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Devasena ma'am, did you agree this is a VFX?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. So not only in Robo, but also you know this guy. Who is he?
Shah Rukh
Shah
Khan.
Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, Shah Rukh Khan. Very good. Then Shah Rukh Khan's movie in Hindi is called Ravan. This is also about a robo. In Tamil, our Kollywood superstar Rajinikanth did a movie called Indran. In Hindi, Shah Rukh Khan did a movie called Ravan. And who is he? This is the latest movie. Brahmastra. This is Ranbir Kapoor. Brahmastra. So what I'm trying to say is patent and technology in Hindi cinema, Bollywood. Hindi cinema increasingly depends on advanced film technologies. So large scale films use patented digital tools. Technology is licensed, not freely used. So the patent law protects these innovations. So as I said, what is VFX? The VFX is about visual effects. VFX, a computer generated visual imagery, which is used to create scenes not possible in real shooting. So it is not possible in real shooting. See, he's holding a big kind of a tool, and the fire is all over the places. And when it comes to this Shah Rukh Khan's Ravan, he will fly here, he will fly there. There will be hundreds of robos. Even in Endran, in the second half is full of CG. There will be a visual imagery. There will be 100,000s, 10,000s robos who looks exactly like Rajnikant, right? So you see how many guns are there. How is he is represented. This is all about a visual tool called VFX. So it includes the CGI characters, fantasy worlds, and superpowers and explosions. It is created using specialized software and algorithms. So this VFX is used by a specialized software and algorithms. So who will get the patent, ma'am? Or sir, just tell me.
Bollywood film, ma'am, they have sent the benchmark. So the Bollywood film should get the patent, and
Okay.
the Hollywood people and other people should give the copyright.
Okay. So if you said the director will get the patent, or the actor will get the patent, or the
The
audience
director
will
will
we
get
will
the
get the patent.
patent.
What?
The director should get the patent.
Okay, the director should get the patent. Okay, now we will see who will get the patent. So this visual effects is very important. When we speak about this visual effects, we come across the motion capture. So what is the motion capture? Mocap, a technology that records human movement, actors movement, which is converted into digital animations. So it uses sensors, cameras, tracking software, etc. It ensures realistic movement of digital characters. So are VFX and motion capture patented? Yes, they are patent protected technologies. So the patents cover motion tracking system, rendering algorithms, virtual production methods, considered industrial and technological inventions. Who owns these patents? Who owns these patents? Not usually film directors or actors. So film directors and actors will not get the patent because it is owned by
The
VFX
VFX
technology company.
companies, ma'am. The VFX companies, the
Yes,
people who
yes.
develop the software.
Very good, very good, very good. The software developers and the motion capture system creators, the VFX technology companies will get, not usually the directors or actors. The actor is they are like simply Rajnikant or Shah Rukh Khan or Ranbir Kapoor. They will do the actions like if they ask them to do like this, they will do. If they ask them to do like this, they will do. What is in their hand, they don't know. They'll simply do like this and do like this. But it is created by a VFX technology companies and the software developers. So film industries license these patent technology. So example robot Endran Hindi version of the robot, the digital creation of Chitty the robot, and it is used by CGI modeling, motion based animation, and robo movements created using patented animation and capture movements. So that's technology supplied by professional VFX studios. That VFX studios, VFX technology companies, software developers will get that patent. So this is all about the patent, which is about the VFX technologies. Okay.
Ma'am, does this apply into the design patent, ma'am?
Yes, this apply to the design patent. Very good, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
So now you want to answer to a poll, ma'am, sir, everyone.
In the chat box, ma'am.
Now it will display. Yes, sir. In a minute, it will display. So it's a simple question. What protects the VFX technology used in films like Endran, Brahmastra, and Robot? Read the question 2 times. The question is about the VFX technology used in films like Indran, Brahmastra, and Robot. So some just mark trademark. Trademark is not in VFX technology. We speak about trademark, right?
Ma'am, trademark is to protect the names, logos, and
Yes,
titles, things like
yes,
that, right?
yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
So just understand the question. We speak about patent, right? So what protects the VFX technology used in films like Indran, Brahmastra, and Robot? So I want everyone to participate. The question is about what protects the VFX technology used in films like Indran, Brahmastra, and Robot. Only 40% of the people have voted. Others, so one of them just marked no legal production. That is not a right answer. There is the legal production for the VFX technology used in films. So I've got a good percentage of answer who share the right answer. So the right answer is patent. What protects the VFX technology used in films like Indran, Brahmastra, and Robot? Good. So I
Ma'am,
already told.
for the product only, we have to get the patent. For the software and other artwork, for that copyright only then.
No, no, sir. This is about a technology and a tool, which is the patent. It's like a software. It's like a odd copy, sir. That
Algorithm,
is,
sir.
yes, ma'am.
It's an algorithm, the
Yes,
technical process.
it's an algorithm. Very good, ma'am. Yes, you're right. So now in the next poll. So I want again the same participation. So the next question is, who owns the patent for VFX or motion capture technology used in films? Film director, actor, VFX or technology company, audience. Who owns it?
அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல துணியை தொடச்சிரு. அவ்வளோ டஸ்டா இருக்கு.
Someone is talking about dust. Please mute yourself and answer the question. Who owns the patent for VFX or motion capture technology used in films? Film director, actor, VFX or technology company. Lastly, audience. Who owns? Just read the question correctly. And I already told about this VFX motion capture technology used in films. Who own it? One of them told, marked audience. It is wrong, yeah. This is wrong, sir and ma'am. Audience, how can we own the patent? We are just seeing the films, just buying tickets for 200 rupees and we are seeing. That's all. So correct it. Audience is a wrong answer. Other than that, tell me the answer. Marked it properly. Read the question again. Who owns the patent for VFX or motion capture technology used in films? Film director, actor, VFX or technology company. So many of them answered it properly, correctly. 80% of the participation in FDP program have answered it correctly. VFX or technology company will own the patent and not film director or actor or audience. The right answer for who owns the patent for VFX motion technology is the answer is in the question itself. The answer is VFX or technology company. Very good participation. Thank you so much. Now, we are going to the next important content. We studied about the patent everywhere. We studied yesterday also. I told stories about Neil Armstrong and many people who hold the patent. Now, patent and technology in Hindi cinema we have seen, and how to register the patent. Procedure to register a patent in India. First, check the patentability. Before checking the patentability, we can't go into registering the patent. So ensure the invention is novel, inventive, and industrially applicable. Conduct a pattern search to see if similar inventions are exist. Then draft a patent application. How to draft an application? Like we are presenting papers, we are just writing papers and putting in articles, scopus everywhere, right? Likewise, prepare a complete specification which includes title, abstract, background detail description, claims, drawings, if any. which is, we can say alternatively, file a professional application if your invention is in early stage. So in early stage itself, you file a professional application. And just the next step, which is an important step, is file the application. Submit the application online or at the Indian Patent Office, which is mainly in 4 places: Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and Chennai. You will get a filing date and application number. So when I was taking this class for one of the FDP programs in on college, one of the ma'am told me that I just forget the date, I forget the application number. So you want to save it properly, the filing date and application number, followed by the publication of application. Patent application is published after 18 months from the filing date. Early publication can be also requested. So the request for examination. File a request for examination within 48 months from filing date. So I recently watched a movie called Coolie. In Coolie movie, Satyaraj will invent something. For after inventing this, he will ask the many people from different zones. They will check it, is it properly working, what kind of invention is it, they will check, then only they will give the patent to them. So for Edison's bulb also, in one single bulb he didn't get that electric, he just failed like 100 200 bulbs, it has been failed. After that, only by checking if the light is coming, electrifying is coming, the patent has been issued to Thomas Edison. Likewise, file a request, application for novelty, inventiveness, and clarity. When it comes to the examination report, office issues first examination report. Like we have FIR copies in police. Likewise, in patent, we will have FER, first examination report, FER, listing objections if any. Applicant must respond to objections with clarifications or amendments, followed by the grant of patent. The office will be satisfied and they will grant and publish the patent journals. So this invention is protected from now. If I just start with the patented in 2026, 2036, 2046, for 20 years it will be patent, it will be protected. After the post grant requirements, pay annual renewal fees to keep the patent in force, enforce the patent rights against infringers if needed. The next point is why patent is important for students. So we all are teachers. This is about a faculty development program. Before we are just a faculty, we once upon a time we are all teachers. Sorry, we all are students. Yes, it's like a simple thing. We are students. Still now we are students. We are learning. We are updating ourselves. Today I also read something new about people who are writing their own books, their own journals, their own diaries, which is a very good habit. Likewise, I'm literally talking about the AI technology. I'm just learning. I'm updating. Likewise, all the teachers are updating themselves, so they are students now also. So why patent is important to students like us, teachers, students, everyone? Why? It encourages the innovation. Patents motivate students to think creatively and develop new ideas. Patents protects the original work. It gives us a legal protection, and it builds the research skills and experimentation and documentation skills. It is a very big career advantage for students. We will add in resumes, we will add like a batting, bowling, reading books, interest, skills, tally, SAP. We will write. What about a patent? If you are having a patent generated idea, it gives a great value to the student's resume. Think like Devasena ma'am is there, and many one I saw, many sirs, staffs are there. Many one actually participated today also. I have a good session yesterday also. Many ma'am and sir are just putting their kind of innovation ideas and good feedback to me. Likewise, if you have your own patent, you can add it in your resume. Like Devasena ma'am can add it in your resume. That Rekha ma'am you can add it in your resume that I'm having a patent. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a question here. Does
Yes.
it give investments, like, does it give financial aid, ma'am? Is that beneficial?
Yes, definitely it gives you financial aid. You will get recognition from your government. And when you just land in a new job, think any college, ABC college, take the example of ABC college. You have 3 patents and people will start blinking what is patent. And when you say it is about a legal document, and when you tell a story about Thomas Edison, who has the electric bulb patent, you will be the first person in this field. You can say this is the invention, this is the innovativeness. I put the benchmark, and it will give you a kind of a like a strength. an innovation strength. It gives you a documentation uplift in your career. I don't want you to just it will take around 48 months, ma'am. Like 2 years you want to spend it. You want to apply it. It may get rejected. May get they will say for any objection. They will ask you to add something. Like if I say this is the sentence, my name is Vaishnavi. Maybe they will say you remove the name like my name. Say I am Vaishnavi. There will be some corrections. If you correct it and give it to the government, you will be recognized. You can also put it in your resume that I have enrolled for a patent. This will ask you to be a standout, like a unique creature. You'll be in a unique way. So we say Earth is a unique planet. Why Earth is a unique planet? Because in Mars, in Jupiter, in Saturn, there is no water. There is no people who are living there. But Earth is unique because it has all kinds of varieties. It has mountains, it has lands, it has people. Likewise, if we just add in our resume about a patent, we will be stand out. We will have a unique sign. And followed by the next one is entrepreneurship opportunities. Students can commercialize their patents. As I said, commercialize their patents by starting startups or licensing their inventions to companies. So recognition and prestige. The patent work brings recognition from universities, industries, and government innovation schemes. Also, it supports the national development growth, the technological growth, and economic development for the country. So I just suggest all of you to watch this movie, Hero. Hero is a must-watch for families this holiday season and any holiday season which has a relevant message on the modern day educational system. So in this, some of the scenes and inventions used in the film were actually based on real life incidents, which includes the saltwater engine and satellites using helium-filled balloon. So this movie, it's one of the is one of the underrated movie. Many didn't recognize this movie, but it has a special thing as called patent. The term patent. When I was like in my teenage, when I came to know and when I see this movie, I was highly having a goosebumps. Wow, what is this? So this movie, this hero of the movie, Sivakarthikeyan, will say people should get more patents. They are simply inventing something and they are keeping it in their home itself. They are not giving a rights. They are not sharing the message to the public. So that is about the real life includes saltwater engine and helium-filled balloon. Satellites using helium-filled balloon. So this is a best movie. I recommend all you to watch this. And after that, patent example, I already told electric bulb, telephone, COVID, vaccine formula, Apple iPhone design, everything comes under the patent examples. And copyright example, books, music, movies like Bahubali, artwork like M.F. Hussein's paintings, and software programs which also adopt photo shoot and everything which is related to the YouTube videos. And why students should get a patent? As I already told, it gives an innovation and creativity. It helps in academic recognition. Followed by gives you a commercialization and income. As Devasena ma'am asked, is there is any revenues there, ma'am? Yes, it offers for commercialization and income through licensing. So this protects your idea, so others cannot copy it without permission. And last but not least, it adds value to resume for higher studies or job opportunities. So COVID vaccine got patent. Why patent is for only 20 years? Why it is only for 20 years? Because to balance public and private interest, inventors got reward for limited time purpose only. After 20 years, the invention became public property, open to all. So this promote new innovations and wider use of technologies. So latest patent in India, the latest patent is about AI-based portable diagnostic systems and auto-regulator intravenous infusion set. So we have our latest patents in technology and AI, system and method for data compressions, and transparent flexible sensor devices. We used battery for health assessment. So these are the latest patents in India. So the COVID-19 patent is, I already discussed in the last class also, waiving patents because so that the poor countries could manufacture generic versions quickly to save lives. When it comes about the lives, health of the people, waiving patent is important. So this is about the duration of the patent. Utility patent, new and innovation technologies is for 20 years, like COVID-19. But design patents, aesthetic design and ornamental design is for only 15 years. When it comes to the plant patent, which is about a disease-resistant tomato, new rose kind of a variety. It is for about 20 years. When it comes to software and business patent, it is about 20 years. Lastly, waived or expired patent, it varies because COVID-19 is also a kind of a waived patent. We just give the patent rights to everyone so that poor countries can just invent the COVID-19 vaccine to save the lives. So now tell me as a question, is India stands in patent? Is India is good in patent? We are registering patent, ma'am. There is a good participation. Dr. Sushma, ma'am, what do you think, ma'am? Banu Rekha, ma'am, can you just unmute yourself and tell me in which position India is there? As India is having a good people or registering for patents? Okay, yes, madam. Someone is saying yes, yes. Okay, I will tell you.
Ma'am, in terms of India being in the patent position, ma'am,
Yes,
is that the question?
yes, yes. Are we registering? Are we in the number one place? Okay.
Mm.
Okay, it's good. So the population, according to the 2023 population versus patent filed, country India, we have a population of 1.43 billion, but only 64,480 people have patent filed. So the observation is highest young population is India, but we have only low patent filings. China, 1.41 billion population, but it has a patent filed only for 9,20,797, which is good because a massive patent filings and high R&D investment is there. In USA, 339 million, 3,15,245 members have patent filed. It is a moderate population, very high innovations and patents. So, USA has a very good population, which is a moderate population. It's good. The population is actively participated in the patent filing because 3 lakhs people have patent filed. When compared to India and China, USA is doing great. But when it compares our India to China and USA, we are not in a good position because we have the highest young population rate but low patent filings. Only we didn't even touch the lakhs. Only 64,000 people have just filed the patent. Yes, ma'am. Is anyone is just talking? Yeah. Hello. So the next question or the next step is step India can take to register more patents. So like the Tati, we are just Tati is just organizing awareness and education shops. It's like a FTP program. Likewise, we should conduct workshops in schools, colleges, and startups about the patenting to promote intellectual property rights. We all have that. Yes, yes, yes. Unmute yourself and talk. Yes, if there is any doubt. So we all are just fond of having some rights, property and rights. When it comes to the property, land, building, plant and machinery is also property, but also IPR is a property, intellectual property rights. So the patent is kind of a property. So simplify patent process. It reduces complexity, fees and documentation. It encourages a fast track patent processing for startups and students. So it increases the R&D investment. So now the step to promote or register more patents is we should increase the R&D investment. We just concentrate only on the books. We mugged up something, we will write it. We are in good kind of activities like writing for the examinations purpose. But what about the research purpose? Research and development investment is very important. Boost government and private sector funding for research and innovations. So we should also have a collaboration. Universities and industries should jointly develop the innovation ready for patenting. And lastly, it gives us a very good grants and awards. If the India should take the registration for more patents, India should have the incentive and recognition. If the people are having a boost confidence for getting of offering the grants or awards, we will be happy to register for more patents. So offer grants, awards and tax benefits for patented innovations. So role of a patent lawyer, we should get a legal guidance from a patent lawyer and he will follow up and manages the official procedures. So a lawyer can make a patent process faster, error-free, and legally secure. And patents, it going to ruling the world in coming years. Innovation as currency. Patents protects inventions and create global market advantages. So now we are in AI and biotech, renewable energies and all. So startup and tech going to dominate these patents by innovating more AI, biotechnologies, everything, and they are going to get more patent. So global trade and IP economy. So patent will shape international business, licensing and collaborations. So lastly, India will get a good amount of opportunities in the upcoming years through this FDP program. I'm just saying that the young population should know what is the powerhouse. We started to see about that powerhouse. What is the main driving force of the economy is patent powerhouse. It drives the economic growth and global influences. So can you unmute yourself? Yes. So India is the young population, and we are going to have a patent powerhouse. So driving economic growth and global influence. Now coming to the boosting patents in India and global impact. Steps India can take is awareness on educations, increase R&D investment. As I already told about the role of a patent lawyer, he will give you a legal guidance and patent drafting. And patents is going to rule the world in coming years. So thank you for your valuable time. And today I speak about an important thing about is VFX. So VFX is also patentable. So like movies like Brahmastra, Ravan, and Shah Rukh Khan's Ravan is a cult classic one for VFX. And Endran is all time a favorite movie, and it has a large kind of VFX. So VFX is patentable. And when I speak about this movie called Hero, we all should watch it at least once to know about this patent and the saltwater engine, satellites using helium balloon filled. This will give you a very good inventions. It will boost you how the modern technology is functioning and modern day education system is functioning. So in the previous day, like yesterday, I speak about Ilayaraja sir's copyright. And when I speak about trade secret, it is about the Coca-Cola formula. Trademark is about a logo, Apple logo and Nike swoosh. The patent is for COVID-19 formula, which has an efficient functioning device, which is just started by our first Indian patent and first US patent. So first Indian patent is efficient functioning and boring device. The first US patent is process of making potash and pearl ash. So this is all about today's session. And yesterday's session, I just combined it and wind it up. Thank you all for a massive good participation, and everyone answered correctly. Many attended the poll, and Devasena ma'am, you are actively participated in both the days, and many sir has participated in correctly. If there is any questions you want, please ask me. And I request everyone to kindly share the feedback form. I want everyone to share the feedback. So Nagarajan sir, you have any doubt? Komalavalli ma'am, you have any doubt or anything you want to share?
No, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very nice session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So I want everyone to just have some ideas, start to write, encourage patent. Patent is important. It is going to rule the upcoming years. You will be feel happy and blessed to do something. Write a paper, write something. Just check with the novelty and start proceduring. Start recording it. Start to see the FER, first examination report, and you will be very happy.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Kindly share the feedback form. Kindly all please mark the feedback.